Welcome back to Korean, step by step. In this lesson, we'll cover ordering food at a restaurant. You will learn how to order food at a restaurant. This word means, excuse me, I'd like to order. Listen.
여기요. 주문할게요.
This word means, one bibimbap, please. Listen.
비빔밥 하나 주세요.
This word means, could you give me some water? Listen.
물 좀 주시겠어요?
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
메뉴 주문 맵다 계산서 맛있다.
If they ask about a taste or amount of the food. This word means, is this very spicy? Listen.
이거 많이 매워요?
This word means, where do I pay? Listen.
계산은 어디에서 해요?
This word means, please make it not spicy. Listen.
안 맵게 해주세요.
This word means, please give me one more of this. Listen.
이거 하나 더 주세요.
This word means, please pack it to go. Listen.
포장해 주세요.
What is good here? Please recommend something. When you don't know what to order, ask for a recommendation. This word means, what is good here? Listen.
여기 뭐가 맛있어요?
This word means, please give me the bill. Listen.
계산해 주세요.
This word means, we'll pay separately. Listen.
따로따로 계산할게요.
Please do. Add after a verb to make a polite request. Could you? 여기요. 여기요. Use or to call a server. Now let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
여기요. 주문할게요. 비빔밥 하나 주세요. 물 좀 주시겠어요? 이거 많이 매워요? 계산은 어디에서 해요?
Great job! Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Useful ordering phrases, asking for a recommendation, paying, polite requests. Great work! Practice ordering food at a restaurant with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepick.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.